Hello guys, we use smartphone Samsung Galaxy A40. This version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory. Start unpacking, open box. In completion we have papers, quick guide and guarantee papers, device, the blue color, this protected film, transporting film. In completion, headphones, USB Type-C cable, key for SIM slot and adapter for charging. That's all. Okay. And now talk about the phone. Phone made plastic body, double camera on the back side, LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side display 5.9 inch front camera and speaker. On the left side slot. This slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Look, this slot, 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Okay, close this. On the right side, power key and long keys. Downside, USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Upside, without controls. Okay, turn on device. Super AMOLED Matrix, Full HD resolution. Settings, Android 9, version 1UI 1.1. Okay. Open Geekbench 4. Look. CPU Samsung Exynos 7904, 2 plus 6 cores, 6 cores work 1.6 GHz, 2 cores 1.8 GHz. Mali G71, this is GPU. Okay, look results, single core score and multi-core score, and look GPU test results. Close this, open Antutu benchmark score, multi-touch test, device support 5 touches. Okay, and now open the modded game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Okay, graphic level max and start game. Game load and works on this graphic level with lags, not smooth. Game freeze, we can see these lags. Okay, remove graph on default level. In the default level, game works very good. On max graphic level, game lags. Okay, and now talk about camera. Main camera 16 plus 5 megapixels double camera and front camera 24 megapixels, 25 megapixels. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.